What's up, gang? We back up in here. There go Danny. We back up in Walmart. We finna get some food because the snow and ice supposed to be coming tomorrow. And then Trey. What you gotta say, Trey?
What's up, guys? We at Walmart today.
And what we finna do?
We finna...
Look, there go Danny's favorite stuff right there.
Oh, that's caramel. That's my ice cream.
Caramel.
Caramel.
Is it caramel or caramel?
Wait.
Trey, which one you see?
Calm down. Oh, sure.
Which one you see?
These is my favorite. These is my favorite.
He likes a little ice cream sandwich.
What?
Ooh, give mama the little Twix ice cream.
I don't know about all that,
He
Danny.
just nuts.
Alright.
Ooh, can you get
What is that?
mochis? They're Japanese.
Danny, no. Those things will get stuck in your throat.
No, he won't.
Trey, what the heck? No, we ain't getting that much ice. We ain't getting that. We're just looking right now. Don't store it back in there. We gotta...
I'll pay you back, okay?
Danny.
I'm paying you back, okay?
No,
Mochi.
Yes, I'll pay you back.
Y'all know what this is?
I'm not
Yes.
putting that back.
What's this? Lemon lime?
No, it's green tea.
Green tea.
Yeah, green
How
tea.
much are they?
$4.
Danny. That's all your allowance.
They have the ice cream.
We ain't getting this.
My
Put that
allowance-
back in there. We'll see. We'll get...
My
Trey don't even like ice cream.
My allowance is living in the house.
They got the individual one somewhere.
We got those.
What is that? My mochi?
It's mochi.
I don't know about that.
Yes.
Let me see. Trey, what'd I say? Nuh-uh, you can only pick one, Danny. Them things is $4
Okay,
for
you can pay for one. I can pay for one, okay? Cause I got
400.
There ain't no 400. There ain't no 400.
I said for 100.
What?
See, that's 100.
No.
There's 100 of them in there.
6.
I'm looking at the wrong
What?
one. Trey, we gotta wait until Mama get here and see. All right, so this the one you pick. Trey gonna have to. He can pick him out something. It ain't gotta be ice cream. Trey, you not even gonna eat that. You gonna be like, you not even gonna eat that. They trying to plot. Trey, he don't even like them. All right, let's see. Let's back up. Let's see. Danny can only pick one.
Not fair.
See, you got all these
You
type.
can pay for one. I can pay for one. Okay?
Dude, stop, Dad, stop.
Hold on, let's back up and see. Let's back up and see.
That's what I got last time.
Trey, it's cold. Do y'all not know it's gonna be freezing outside tomorrow?
Okay, and
Let me see. Do they got individuals?
okay, so you can pay for one.
We got popsicles at home. There they go, right there. An ice cream Snicker right there.
No, get one of those down there.
Trey, that's gonna be.
What is this?
Danny only getting one.
What?
Put that one back.
I don't even know what this is.
Put it back. First off, when your mama get here, you know she ain't gonna let y'all get no ice cream. So, we'll come over here and see if we can get it. So put it back.
No.
Cause see, Trey can't find him one, so you're not gonna be able to do it. Alright, Trey putting it back. We'll see. We'll make our rounds with it. We'll see
That is so.
what she wanna do.
I did my round off back handstring on the dead floor, okay? I deserve it. That's my first time doing a round off back handstring on the dead floor.
A round off on the dead floor.
A round off back handstring.
What is a dead floor?
A floor with no strings.
Like this? Can you do it right now?
I'm not doing it right
Can you
now.
do it right now? Let's see.
I ain't doing it right now.
Alright, we just tell her to come to this side of the aisle. What did he do?
He tried to cut it.
My beard?
Yeah,
What did he do to it?
nothing. He only right there.
Did he cut it all the way off?
No, no, he didn't.
So you want me to cut it all the way off?
No, Daddy.
Why not?
You gotta look like your regular self.
I'm gonna look like you.
No, Daddy. People don't know who you are.
What do you mean? Oh no, we ain't going down the candy aisle. We got a lot of candy in the drawer.
Oh, hey, no.
No candy aisle.
No.
Turn down this way. What you think?
What on earth?
Louisiana hot sauce is not hot at all.
Let's try it out. What about the ghost? What about the ghost hot? No, we don't wanna.
What's that?
Church, stop. We don't want to ruin Danny for life.
Danny? No.
What's that?
Raspberry vinaigrette.
Pomegranate. Put it back up, Trey. Gotta get the dynamics on the camera right again.
That funny. Oh, very nice.
Trey, what?
That funny Mike song.
What funny Mike song?
That's scratching the part.
Why are you looking at sad face? No, that's a shooting game. Wait till you get home. We're gonna put the Xbox in your room. So you forgot all about that, didn't you? Forgot all about that, didn't you? So we'll see. They already on there. Hey, it ain't no ground beef. We did, ain't no ground beef. Dang, that ain't clean house. We got a little ice storm coming. And Trey.
I don't have to go to school.
She getting right there. Yeah, the ice is supposed to come tomorrow. So everybody is
staying in the house. No, I can come out.
What? Think you can handle it? Danny, I don't know if Danny can handle no spicy foods.
You can't handle spicy foods.
It go in easy but come out bad.
It's open. It's open. It's open. It's open. It's open.
Trey. We may have to go get another one. I don't know yet. We'll see.
No, it's fine.
We got pretzel Reese's. What Danny got over here? What's that? Why you always want? What's that?
The Kinder Bueno.
They
came out with the white one.
That looks so nasty, Danny. These right here, gas. They gas, Danny.
No.
They gas. No cap. No cap. Gas.
We can get some coffee.
You can't eat because your braces.
She's got braces.
What? Yeah.
Coffee?
She can't eat because she got braces.
I can't eat.
Danny, you on camera. Danny don't even know.
I can get candy. I don't have braces.
You gonna have braces because you got an underbite. You got. I got an overbite. Yeah.
Overbite, underbite, second bite, 3 bite, 4 bite. What kind of handshake is that? What the?
It's a new one. This is our old one.
It's you have to. It's like still in the back.
Okay, let's see.
Wait.
Trey, how is that a handshake? It look like y'all arm wrestling.
No, we're not.
That's the old one.
Uh-huh.
Well, Riley, which one Riley know how to do?
She do this and then up and then that.
Well, Riley should be over here to
We knew our handshake.
In 2 days.
And me and Bryson knew our handshake.
Should be over here in 2 days. Still walkie-talkie right here. Super cop.
Y'all, look at all my stacks I got.
All right, he got ice cream sandwiches. He got the blue Doritos. Those are called Cool Ranch. And he got, what are those?
It's crackers. And these are...
Those are, my house finna call them Golden Grams.
These are
Those are ice cream sandwiches.
ice cream sandwiches.
Yep.
So I got all my snacks.
You like a
Yep.
Ferrero Rocher.
No.
What's
Put
that?
those back. Put those back.
Ferrero Rocher.
Mm-hmm.
Orange juice is disgusting.
Apple juice is terrible until you mix it with orange juice.
I used to do that. And I also used to mix my orange juice with milk. Yeah. It was a bad decision that day.
That's why she's farting in her sleep all the time.
Do you want to use milk with orange juice?
No, that's nasty. Creamer. Oh no. Ain't that all out of the pink milk? Oh, that's the best right there. These are the best. Nestle, strawberry milk, fire. Gang. Walk out with chips in your hand.
When I'm old, walk out.
Look at Danny.
Danny over here.
She can't even.
Record.
She can't dance.
She can't dance.
Nope. Can't dance.
She thinks she got the best moves.
Danny don't have no moves. She moves like a mummy.
I know how to.
Look at her.
I know my best dance moves.
Churcher, what's your best dance? Let's see. Let's see Churcher best dance. Churcher doing his dance move. Churcher. Alright, we gotta roll. Alright, let's roll.
What you do?
Churcher is we're gonna call him Poindexter Churcher. Danny, you can't crack the code.
I can try fast.
Danny don't know what she doing. Churcher don't know what he doing. Who put that? Trump 2024. One more.
TikTok.
Mama.
Danny, I thought you didn't like TikTok no more. TikTok is, I don't think TikTok is for kids.
I'm over 12. I'm 12. Okay.
That means you're
I'm a minor.
not over 12.
I'm a minor.
You're 12.
Yeah.
Go over there, Daddy.
I'm just gonna go with my
Church, you don't even know what that is.
I know what's over there.
the old pic. The
What
old.
is that? That's an old pit. What the? What was wrong with you?
I don't know. See.
Daddy, I need to buy a fishing pole.
Yeah. So I posted. And I
Alright,
did
we
this
got a
one.
turn.
I did this one last year. Like
We gotta get it on there.
That's Ashton's chair. That's Ashton's chair. Look, Daddy. Go backwards.
Alright.
I
don't
made
think
an
your
edit
mom
out of
knows
this
you
one.
look. Let's
I
see.
was gonna make it a regular video, but I made it an edit. Cause I did.
I already seen that one.
I did.
You late. What the? That's pretty neat. Yep, I see Monster Jam. What's that right there? I don't know what that is.
Hoverboard. I know how to do it. I like those.
Yep. You gotta wait till you get warm outside for that. They got the hoverboards for $98. Trey, you gonna put them chips up there because you gonna crumble them all. They're gonna be crushed up. I can say she walking right past the batteries. Yep, it sure is a football balloon.
Holiday
Look at Danny. Danny, I don't know. Reese's Pieces was the best thing that ever happened to known to man.
Yes. But the holiday is overrated.
The holidays. Danny, that's where you got, listen. That's where you got,
This holiday right here?
Valentine's Day?
Trash.
How?
It's overrated.
How?
You spend your money.
It's better than Christmas.
It is not.
It's better than Christmas. End of the video, y'all say peace.
Peace,
We're leaving Walmart, getting ready for the ice storm. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. We out.
Guys, we'll make another video. Daddy's phone is running dead. We gotta charge it up at the house. We'll see you on the next video.
Peace.